Hey everyone, today we're showing you a Canadian recipe for salsa poutine. Now in our video that we uploaded last week, we showed you how to make homemade salsa. That is basically a part 1 to this video. This is a Canadian dish, however we customized it a little bit. Instead of having gravy, we put salsa. So it's a very quick and easy video for which you will need your homemade salsa, or you can also use store-bought salsa, cheese curds, and fries. So the first step is pretty self-explanatory, just go ahead and fry your fries. So to ensure the cheese curds melt, we're just going to warm the salsa up for about 1 minute, maybe even less than a minute, just to make sure it's hot, just like the gravy usually is. Now just put all of your ingredients into one bowl and you're done. You can also add other ingredients of your choice, such as green onions or jalapenos. It's up to you though, this is optional. This is such a delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this recipe with your friends and give it a big thumbs up. Have a nice day, everyone.